Shein has been in the news recently with the huge IPO. Their e-commerce is very heavily based on AI to the point where they're giving you images of clothing that doesn't necessarily exist, but that they think you'll like based on AI. And then if you order it, they'll create it for you.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, that's another way.
No?
I'm not very familiar with Shein. I haven't used it myself in a few years, but what you're saying makes a lot of sense. Like companies could use this, and especially if the labor force is cheap enough for you to create custom, or on the other side, you could even think about it as like somebody designing a wedding dress. They're looking at different wedding dresses, and it's very expensive to manufacture a wedding dress, right? So based on what they're doing, you can identify, and then you can decide, okay, this is what people want, then I'm going to create it either for people or for the person itself. And you can do all sorts of cool things. Imagine that you get a body scan of somebody for that wedding dress example. You know their exact fitting, their exact measurements, you know their proportions, and you know what tends to look good on those people or not. So you could almost create an AI model to recommend the wedding dress based on your proportions and show you the images and then decide to make it. So I think it's a really cool application. I wasn't aware that Shein does that, and I'm going to read more about it. It's really cool.
I'll research because I might be making this up.
Well, if not, maybe they should start, or maybe they should consider hiring you because you have great ideas for them.